It is TV, Junior Khanye, Khune versus Dennis Onyango. Otherwise, before we even start about that, potentially lockdown, you're not looking like you are dying anytime soon.
My brother njoba ngasho mina ecaleni ngathi I'm a member of the TC Church. My brother uNkulunkulu wasendaweni yaseziyona wangifundisa ukuthi ngingasabi nix obviously concern ikhona. And I lockdown ezulwini ayikho. If we pray hard uNkulunkulu wangifundisa ukuthi ngingasabi nix. Mara obvious njoba ngisho concern ikhona. This thing is killing people, libulala abantu mfethu. Mara ngisabanga my brother. Ngoba yasho neBhayibheli ngithi imanual empilo. Ababalekela kuyila bophuluka. I understand. Ya nkululeko akusi easy my brother. Thina bese sijwayele move around. You understand sesihlele endlini move la endlini la ejardini. We understand lento dangerous kulala abantu bangishiya.
All right, a big discussion with social media as well. Dennis Onyango versus Khune, abanye baye left, abanye baye right. Asiqale ngalolu daba ke lokuthi is it even worth discussing this thing? Are these guys on the same level?
Yeah, baku same level my brother. Angithi first mawungabheka Khune has done well for team yakhe qala. Individual as well. No Onyango did the same individually, and then the team yakhe, national team as well, both goalkeepers. So being nominated to Onyango singakhohlwa logo so many times. Africa is a continent, and Khune represented double national team, World Cup, Africa Cup of Nations, Bana Onyango. So yeah, it's rated my brother. I mean, for both of them, I'm a heavyweight. These are two heavyweight goalkeepers with a strong heart, mentality strong as well. Yeah, I'm a my brother. Good, very definitely sure. Both of them, I think the competition high kakudia.
But how do you decide? I mean, I'm a fan of social media manager, and it's still going on. How do you decide? Do you look at accolades? Or do you look at literally the physical ability, shot stopping, distribution, communication?
Yeah, if una sibheke ngama engela amaningi. You understand? Ngoba ukhune njoba ngisho giving nika elinye iside ukuthi ngakhuluma ngayo nawe Onyango ngibukele ngidlalile futhi kancane against him mina and ukhune my brother is a player goalkeeper. He can play comfortable on the ball. Uyabona distribution qala kakhulu distribution and very vocal. You understand and clever as well. And mawungabheka ama reflexes you understand and ukhune my brother in most ukhumbule ukhune izinto eziningi azenzayo especially for him. Makadlala it doesn't want to lose. I know he doesn't want umuntu ongafuni ukulose akusinto manje. You understand? And Onyango mina ngithema ngibukela ngadlala naye kancane. Onyango very vocal as well. That's why ngithi ngiyaba compare ngaloko. And unama reflexes amnandi kakhulu naye. And Onyango phinde akusumuntu kusho ukuthi ofuna ukuluza ngoba benginokumbona ukuthi it doesn't want to lose. He has done so well especially kuye individual njoba ngisho ngithi nominate kaningi and take nothing awengeke nominate ungasi one of the best, you understand, and he's won African goalkeeper of the year, you understand. Leyo nto le imina a lot, you understand. Obviously Khune azange afike la but ukhumbule sometimes ukuthi i-team yakho le ozobunayo ngenza for instance bafana ukhune when is around bafana i-team is good enough, surrounded by good players now ngoba it takes i-player ukuze libe one of the best iyafuna ukuthi kube ne-backup i-team abantu aba-11 ne-bench, you understand, with coach by one of knowledge coach right, and then it takes quality, you know. So Onyango nama-players singayikhohlwa ukuthi he was playing with the best players, you understand. Yeah, and beyenza abe easy and abe compete abe easy for him. Mara take nothing away from Onyango. Yeah, he's done a lot, but mina for me nangisasho namanje it's for me easy ukuthi ngani ngikhuluma ngoJunior.
Now that you've given us analysis yabo boy2, who are you literally choosing between these two and why uzokhetha oyi-one ngomi?
I will choose with Khune. Yeah, kululeko if ungizwile na last time there was a game bese kuyo kudlala iKaizer Chiefs namaZulu. Ngakutshela even nedabi ngishilo. So many games as well attended with Kaizer Chiefs TV. Uchumele Khune I choose him. I have no doubt. The boy, njoba ngisho nenhliziyo man. Talent only is not enough. Uchumele Khune is very comfortable foot. Most of the goalkeepers now, Onyango ngengayibona, is not comfortable on the ball. Sometimes it becomes slow. Unokuthi bampass a back pass, the opponent is sondele. And then when the opponent is closer and then you want to kick the ball. You understand? You weak point ka Onyango and then Khune give him there. So Khune njoba ngisho very comfortable. I-positioning kakhulu my brother is better as well. You understand? Very quick in diving. Sengikhuluma maka divile i-reaction. For instance, when he dive up high ball, if you rebound, you react very, very. You understand? And when you futhi into ane power ngayo, uvimba when you are a goalkeeper usebenzisa noma yipi part of the ball. That means the player he can't use isandla. You understand? Ukhune usebenzisa noma yipi a part of the body. Sometimes he save ngenyawo. You understand? Uthola ukuthi the way he showcase goal. And uma ungamcheck enye into futhi mina ukhune ngimthanda ngayo. I-close range, like ngikhuluma ngama many goalkeepers, it's very tough. Ipola lenhloko ne-close range. Ukhune deals with that very, very simple, my brother. Uma check khona igame abadlali kuyo njengoba badliwa ngama-penalty manje ku-Highlands Park. Umusi kuyafika leyana 6.
Oh yes.
Akusuba nobani, my brother, that could stop that ball. And it was 9 minutes. You understand? So, my brother, njengoba ngisho enye into futhi ngisasho okay, ngevocal kuba vocal ngiyabalo. Mara ukhune mina I give him, my brother. I'm sorry, the boy is. Yeah.
But so based on what would you be giving him? Yes, you've told us ukuthi ungcono kulezinto like physical reflexes, distribution. I would agree with you that marginally when you look at them, ukuthi ukhune une properties ezingcono kumzimba wakhe than Onyango. Quicker to react, comfortable on the ball. That's true. However, umubheka i-cabinet, i-trophy cabinet ka Onyango, ubheka i-trophy cabinet ka Itumeleng Khune, you would find that Onyango une trophy ezingcono kunokhune. When you look at I think league, we win it twice ku SuperSport, 3 times ku Sundowns. Khune has won it only 3 times ku Chiefs. CAF Champions League, you know. So when you look at that's strong le achievements, would you say that Onyango is better than Khune in terms of what he has achieved ku ball?
Numbers don't lie. Singaqamba manga, numbers don't lie. But njoba ngishilo it depends ukuthi surrounded nabo bani. Kulule. Leyo nto leyo you can go anywhere. You understand? Ngizenza nje example, angifuni ukuphuma kakhulu kule topic. Ukhama mangabe ngibonile ngisayibekile ngisabuziwe kancane. Ngayi. Ku Sundowns he was abantu according to them. Now he's doing nothing for Kaizer Chiefs. But he was surrounded abutawu, abo Kick and Doli. We understand? We understand? Best players they were around him. You understand? And look at him now. You understand? I'm not saying he's surrounded by bad players. So manje sebamrate ngendlela ukuthi no. You understand? Because it doesn't win next. Aga win next. It doesn't win nothing. And ngulule ukuthi surrounded abo bani. Idlala role enkulu. Being there ngesikhathi esiright. You understand? So ukhune umfana unfortunately ngisasho namanje. Bafana uyithole ingawini nothing. You understand? For a long time, since 96, Kabang, must win Africa Cup of Nations. We understand Khune, the gap alone, he can't do it. We understand my friend. He has done a lot.
Let me counter argue that. Dennis Onyango, Nguye no Mitchell, Coach Mitchell, formerly of Orlando Pirates, for 37 years, Uganda did not go to African Cup of Nations. In 2015, they led Uganda to go to the Cup of Nations for the first time in 37 years. 2017 baphinda baya futhi. I think even last year 2019 they were there again. And xa ujonga players of Uganda, you would argue that Bafana has better players than Uganda, but national team wise 2017 South Africa was not there for African Cup of Nations. You know, and they didn't really do well with 2015 as well. So you would say that now we are umnika Onyango in that aspect he was able to lead Uganda naye.
Onyango usha ukhune ngenye into uyabona lapho ngizomnika. He's a leader, that guy. You understand? Remember Khune has played for one team as a junior and then he went to the senior side in one team. Ngiyamnika Onyango, he went with SuperSport, as you say, twice. You understand? He went to Sundowns, one of the big teams. We should have a team with you. You understand? And we understand the guy he won it 3 times with Sundowns, yeah. And then with SuperSport he won it twice. So ngiyamnika, you understand, because akusi easy ama-team ayi-2 ufike ube the best, especially number 1 ungahlali on the bench. It's very tough to find ama-player that they're doing well there ba-understanda ne-culture yabona. So ngiyamnika u-Onyango leyo njengoba ngisho take nothing away, yiko ngishilo masicala ngathi yabona le i-debatable maphara.
Yes, very difficult.
Yeah, very difficult. I see easy, I see side 31 umchita nyamnika respect the guy Onyango, but at the end of the day I need to choose one. So mina for me I choose uThumela Khune. Take nothing away ngisayiphinda away from Onyango. He's still doing well for even now. You understand? And yeah, leader leyangwenya leya, yeah, leader, he's got a strong heart my brother. Most of you kuma-team njengalawo SuperSport is a very big brand, you understand? And he is sometimes very big brand as well. So Onyango feel stabilize the positioning yakhe. And manje ukhona kadlala, you understand?
Ithi ngikuhlokoloza kokugcina with this topic. If Khune was with Sundowns, would Sundowns have won a CAF Champions League as opposed to Onyango? Remember, thina sobabini siyayibukela Sundowns edlala.
Yeah.
We see
Live.
how Onyango uyalitya ixesha, he's very street smart. I-player se-Egypt imgile kancane and he goes down. He knows exactly how to manipulate a game at that level a CAF. If uThumela Khune was a Sundowns goalkeeper from 2015 mhlambe up onwards, would they have won a CAF Champions League in 2016?
uThumela Khune is gifted, talented. You understand? Nkululeko, it's pure this year. You understand? Yes, they are both gifted. Make no mistake, special players, giants as well. Khune is a top class goalkeeper, my brother. It's pure this. It's pure. Umfana noma ngaba kadlali manje, bambiza ukuthi rust. But you can see when you go to the field, fearless. You understand? Akasabi. Kusho ukuthi uyabona it's a gift. You understand? Lo mfana ngisasho namanje. Right, the question is right. Vele bengi-expectile ukuthi ngibuzele. It can be easy. Khune bekazoyina i-Kevin ne-Sundowns. Surrounded with those players. He has played the World Cup with Bafana players. Big giant. Remember Hlala ne-Spain sidla wani. Khune save penalty kavila. You understand? The guy helped us. Le mfana angisabanga ngaye man, because mawungambheka my brother ukuthi nyadelela okanye kanjani. He has been let down. Abantu surrounded bona. Labantu abamsurrounded most. So ku Sundowns bekazoyini ke. I believe mina noma ngaya kwenye team lamfana even on the bench, that's why ngithi namanje aka deserve for me. Ngiyaxolisa ngazi ngayibeka na last aka deserve Nkululeko. I mean Khune has been number 1 for Bafana and for how long? You understand? Akadlali manje even namanje uNseke bekambizile njengoba bazoyicancel igame. Kusho lo mfana akuna coach, a very smart coach that can Khune ignore. If you call him free, I'm sorry. Sitting on the bench, you understand. Joba ngisho ngithi ku Sundowns it was lama player manje udlalile nawo ku national team lawo lapha. He has played with so many laba balapha manje. Udlalile nabo. I don't think bekunento entsha for umfana. He's been tested a lot man. Ayang ene yeah.